Hello children, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn some new words of the lesson number 2, Elephant Feast. After this activity, you will be able to read and understand some new words from the lesson. Before that, be ready with your worksheet number 14, a pencil and an eraser. Topic: Vocabulary Worksheet. Let's move to activity number 1. Read the words carefully. Let me read the words in the mind map for you. Children, repeat each word after me. Food, branches, outpost, granary, foothills, grandmother, children, earthquake, crops, village. Let's move to activity number 2. The letters of the words below are jumbled. Figure out what the word is with the help of the above clues and write it on line provided. 2 have been done for you. Here the letters are jumbled or not in correct order. You will have to rearrange or rewrite the letters in correct order using the given mind map. Let us see one example. Children, here the letters are jumbled up. Hence, the word doesn't have any meaning. Now, can you rearrange these letters to get a meaningful word given in the mind map? Yes, the correct word is food. Let us see one more example. Very good. The correct answer is outpost. In the same way, you need to continue with the remaining words. Let's move to activity number 3. Find the suitable word for the pictures given below. One has been done for you. The first picture, it shows foothills. In the same way, you need to continue with the remaining pictures. Let's move to activity number 4. Find the correct word from the above activities and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. There was a lot of dash and drink at the party. And the correct answer is food. In the same way, you need to continue with the remaining sentences. And your home play is to complete the worksheet number 14 and share it with your subject teacher. Thank you.